Adventure! Some seeds, huh? Okay. Open your hand. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So we need 12 seeds. Look at 1,
You can go to the far side, Cam, and then let me see the rest.
6, 7,
Alright,
8,
thank you guys for all your patience.
9, 10.
Bigger event than you guys thought, huh? Alright, we got one more. Here, you guys want to get together and we'll take a picture really quick?
Wait, Daddy, help you?
So, what I recommend is poking holes in each of the little section here first. We have 4 types of seeds to choose from. We got beans and peas.
Go like this.
Okay, no worries.
Go like this. Okay,
And
look.
so you can take your
Look.
peas or beans, whichever one you'd like, plant them in there, cover them up with the soil,
Let's see your
and
finger.
then you can decorate your container however you like. And then after that, we've got some stuff to take home. Thank you.
Okay, Macy, look at me. Camden wants to smile.
Okay. 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 You get a seed.
Right here? Like right in the middle.
Where do you want it? Right here? Okay, scratch it. Look at this. No. Scratch it. Just scratch it.
I need to find a red.
It's awesome. Oops. Wait, Ryan.
Turn it around. Turn it around.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh, I thought do we really want to do another one?
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, perfect. Jerijah, you did plants? Good job.